welcome to my channel. Today I rent this motorbike that is the KYMCO Racing S125cc model. I'm gonna vertificate the acceleration of this motorbike from 0 km per hour to 60 km per hour. Yeah, under the Japanese law, the max speed is 60 km, so that's content of vertification. Literally this motorbike is a racing, so I think, in my opinion, that the racing S125 is very fast, or maybe faster than Japanese racing model like Cygnus or other motorbikes. So yeah, let's move with the vertification. From now on, I'm gonna teach you how I feel when this motorbike accelerates, and I summarize the 2 points, and one of them, it's very simple, from 0 to 60 km per hour, and how I feel, and also the secondary, from 60 km per hour to 90 or maybe the 100, that is the max speed of this motorbike. Yeah, when I vertificate, you can check the vertification of acceleration in this video as well. Yeah, first of all, from 0 to 10 or 20 km until this motorbike finish a warm up, that I think this motorbike is lazy. Not lazy, but I mean, if I compare the Japanese motorbike like sporty motorbike and Cygnus or other motorbike, the Airblade that is imported from Taiwan, but if I compare both of them to this motorbike, a little bit slow until this motorbike finish a warm up. Yeah, a little bit slow, but after finishing the warm up, I think I feel like it's the same to accelerate from 0 to 60 km per hour. If I say exact the speed, from 53 or 54 km per hour, sorry, from 53 or 54 km per hour, I feel like a little bit too slow to accelerate. Very thin, yeah, very thin, and a little bit slow to accelerate, because from 0 to 40 or 50, 60 km, the display show me the speed, and the speed is very, very smooth to speed up, but from 54 or 5, a little bit slow. And also in the secondary, and from 60 km per hour to 90 or 80 km, this acceleration is very difficult to describe, because I mean, I don't want to say this literally this motorbike is a racing, but I think this is not racing, because from 60 km it's very slow to accelerate if I compare Japanese the other 125cc to this motorbike. So too slow, but slow. Yeah. until 70 or 80 kilometers per hour. Yeah, Japanese motorbike which I've ever driven, they are faster than this motorbike, and not too much gap, but between both of them, a little bit of gap, and this is slow. And you can, I think you already look at the average of this acceleration from 0 to 60 km per hour, and between the Japanese one and also this one, there are a 1 or 2 seconds or a gap. It's a little bit gap, but a little bit I feel like slow. Check the other videos which I've already reviewed, and thank you for watching. And if you like these videos, please push the summer button, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.